Hello, so this is a quick demo of my 1-bit full single bit adder that I made using transistors. Here you have an LED for the sum and another one for the carry out. You have three inputs, A, B, and carry in. It's controlled by an Arduino, so I can sequentially put the values together to add multiple bits instead of just a single bit. So right now it's doing 32-bit integers, and let's have it calculate the Fibonacci sequence. And yes, I am also working on turning this into a full CPU, so that's gonna be interesting. You can check that out later, probably when I start running the uship. So yeah, here you can see it's adding stuff. I added some delay in the code between different values, because it also would just like do it immediately and it'd be way too fast to see anything. Then it's just like not fun. So yeah, we still have a couple bits to go, because it's gonna calculate up until it fills out the 32-bit integer like max value, which is something like 4 billion. So it's gonna keep going for a while. Yep, that's a big number. Oh, it rolled over, so we hit the limit. Yep, so that's it.